Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to cancel Discovery Plus subscription. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. Now the steps for cancelling your Discovery Plus subscription may vary depending on who bills you. In order to find out who bills you, you'll need to go over to discoveryplus.com, choose your profile, and at the upper right corner, select your account, and then in the subscription section, if Discovery Plus bills you, choose cancel. If a TV provider bills you, you'll see Discovery Plus via the company name. If an App Store bills you, you will see changes to billing details must be made on the App Store message. When you've discovered who bills you, the steps are easy from there. All you need to do is to go over to the third-party website, log into your account, select accounts, and then navigate to the subscription section and look for cancel subscription. This will help you to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Third-party options include Apple Store, Google Play, Roku, Samsung, and others. So make sure you know who is billing you and then go over and follow the steps mentioned. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.